Hey guys, so I'm gonna, I was asked to do this a little bit. So I'm gonna teach, do a tutorial on a lat toss or lateral toss, and the checkpoints and counts for it. That way you guys can put it into your routines, because you guys all seem to like it but are having trouble with it. Okay, so we first have to do a lat prep, which is this. So lat prep is typically 1, 2, 3, 4 are the counts. Bring it up, it's just 1, 2, 3, 4. It's lat prep. It's to the side here. So that's the lat prep. 1, 2, 3, 4. So once you get into a lat prep, your checkpoints, or lat prep is 1, belly button is checkpoint 2, and up above the head is checkpoint 3. And this is your release point where you will push up to get it off the ground. So, but once you get it, the checkpoints won't really matter a whole lot, because you'll just go through the motion and you'll get used to it with your muscle memory. But until then, it's going to be, the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a lat toss, and it spins right above your head like this. The higher you get it and the more oomph or momentum that you get it, the easier it's going to be to do and the less dangerous it's going to be to do, because you're less likely to hit your head and you have more time to look up to see where the flag is in order to catch it. So lat prep, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then toss 5, 6, 7, 8. Comes right back down. If you're doing a routine, and I can't do this on purpose, but if you do a lat toss and you catch it and it ends with your silk on the left instead of your silk on the right, then you can just flip it, or you can even take a move that is that you can go right into after that. So if you land like this, you could probably right after it, you can go into this move. But yeah, anyways, lateral, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You get here 5, and up on 6 is when you should toss it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So to go over checkpoints again, checkpoint 1 is a lateral prep. Checkpoint 2 is your hand is right by your belly button, thumb up by your belly button. And then 6, or count 6, but checkpoint 3 is up into the sky. And when you let go, the flatter your hand is, the easier it's going to be able to get the parallel rotation and to get it high up there like you want it. So I'll see if I can toss this and then move so you guys can kind of see what it looks like. So yeah, if you could see how it spun up in the air, like it even landed like this. If it doesn't land straight, that's fine. I just really like the rotation is what's important, and to actually getting it that height. Because once you get it the height, you can do a variety of different other tosses, since you already, because it's a hard toss, but it's a toss that can get you to understand where your release point is and how important the release point is. That way you can do other moves a lot easier, like the J toss, or I haven't really taught it yet, but the 45, or even that big toss that we've already taught all of you guys. 3. Even that toss, it helps knowing where the release point is once you learn the lat or lateral toss. But anyways, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And to add on to something, counts are also going to depend on how high you want the lat. So a normal lat, it would just be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But if I want a high one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You'll catch specifically on 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So yeah, just try to get the normal lat toss though. Once you get that, you can mess with it, see how high you want it, or you can do, I'm not going to do it here because I'm on concrete, but you can even do the lat toss and then get down on your knees and then catch it. But there's a variety of things you can do with a lat toss. There's also different ways you can do a lat toss. You can do, I taught you guys to do it like this, thumb towards the silk, but you can actually also do it palm down towards the ground. I don't like it that way personally because it's uncomfortable, but technically you can do it. You can also do, I haven't done this one in a while, so I don't know how this is going to look. You can do a left hand lat. You take it like this, and you push out, and then you lift up into the air with your left hand. But yeah, just get the lat toss down. So lat prep, belly button, push. Yeah. Lat prep, belly button, push. Is all it is. And if you get, don't be afraid to like run away from it if you need to see the spinning, or if you're not sure where your release point is. I'd rather you run away from it and hit the ground or the silk come up than you to get hurt. We can always retape it or whatever. But yeah, that was a lat prep, and you guys can always subscribe to this channel. That way you'll get notifications when I post tutorials and stuff like that. And it'll help. That way you guys can practice it outside of class, and you can use the moves that I'll teach on this channel. You can use them in your routine if you want to. I'll probably teach some more difficult moves and then some basic ones as well that you guys should already know, but might just need a little tweaking and improvement. So, but yeah, that was the lat toss. So you guys have already started doing a great job with the lat toss, but just wanted to put up a tutorial on how to do it if anyone needs help. Thanks, bye.